All right, here's your unboxing for the Viemco replacement battery for the FZ100 battery for Sony. This is the Sony battery here. We're going to take a look at this, compare it with this one, open her up, see what we got. Let's go. Nice, like fake pleather case. I'm surprised by this. Instructions, we'll get rid of that. So, comes with a micro USB-C-A to USB-C, which is great. Here are the batteries themselves, and this is the handy dandy charger. We'll get that out of the way. You obviously would slide your batteries inside. This is a great way because right now I don't have a charger for my A7 IV. Put that in there, plug it in, let's see what we got. Let's plug it in first. So that's nice to have because you'll wonder like how much longer do I have, how much juice do I have? Can I pop them out real quick and use them? There you go, right there, you have a window to tell you. Let me look at the back of this. We'll compare the size. So same exact, 2280. Read right here or not, it's 2280 also. So theoretically, these are exact same size batteries. Will this one last longer than the Sony? If anyone knows anything better, normally your Sony's gonna last longer. It's a more expensive battery. These are a lot cheaper, but these are great backup batteries to have on the go when you don't have enough batteries, because you can always use more batteries. And this one comes with a charging thing because Sony does not give you a charging. You have to charge through the camera. So you need something like this for your kit if you have a Sony and you need this battery. All right, that's it for this one. Pretty simple. Good luck.